In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI to write product descriptions. If this guide helps you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. So first things first, we're going to open ChatGPT and we're going to ask AI to write a product description for the specific product that we're wishing to describe. In this case, I'm going to use a wireless keyboard as an example. So as you can see, ChatGPT just gave us a clear description of what a wireless keyboard is. But in case you need to be more specific, maybe because you're using a specific product from Amazon or from your e-commerce business, something that you can do is to paste the link of the product. So in this case, I'm going to paste the link of the Amazon keyboard and I'm going to say, make a product description for this wireless keyboard. And ChatGPT is going to give us an engaging product description for that specific wireless keyboard. This is a really great tip that you can use in case you have your own Amazon storefront or you have an e-commerce business and you need a specific product description. ChatGPT is going to help you do that very fast. And that's how easy you can write product descriptions using AI. Hope that helped.